Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Business Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna show, or we're gonna analyze the market for the next Monday to Friday. That means next 12th May to 16th May. Okay, we will break down the market trend, support and resistance zone, Fibonacci level, and others, all thing about technical analysis. Okay, so as we are a day trader, we need to start our weekly analysis from weekly time frame because we need to confirm the market direction. Okay, as you can see there, market is currently on buy trend. That means in weekly perspective, market is on strong buy trend. Okay, it is still on buy trend, and we have to find out our path to take entry. Okay, and we will take buy and sell entry. That means small scalping or swing entry like buy or sell, but we need to keep our direction on buy. Okay, and if we select day one time frame, that means a daily time frame, as you can see there, here is some scenario beginning of the analysis. And if we take a closer look in this area, in this particular area, if I want to draw a rectangle in that area, as you can see there, in daily time frame, this support line works as a major support zone for market. Okay, first time market just make a breakout around this area, and again it just several time in that particular area, again it just running or keep ups and down in this particular area, then it just go up, and one time it just created all time high like 3500, and again it just trying to reach this particular area. Maybe after that it will fly more, or after that it will happens a breakout. So let's see, or let's start our analysis in weekly to daily to H4 to H1 time frame. So let's find out our direction, or let's find out our entry on H4 time frame. Okay, let's go for H4 time frame. If I select H4 time frame, before we start H4 time frame, or before I start to give entry, I need to talk about last week entry. That means, as you can see there is our last week analysis or entry, and in that particular moment when market started to rise up, that means when it's want to go to our entry zone, India and Pakistan were started, and market just make a sudden fly. That means sudden fly. And we also announced that on our free and paid Telegram channel that cancel that entry, or if you want to take risks, manage your lot size properly, because there is issue like geopolitical issue. So in that case, our technical analysis will not work here. In that case, we will apply our fundamental analysis, and we posted a lot about fundamental news or geopolitical issue in our Telegram channel. If you are especially following our Telegram, you may know that. Okay, and start our regular analyzing. Okay, so as per your kind of information, I want to share something about the market, and you have to keep your concern on geopolitical issues like where and what is the trade relationship with China, USA, and European Union, with who? With Trump. Okay, what is the current geopolitical issue, and what is the current trade relationship with the Trump and others. Okay, you have to keep our concern those two things. If you can smartly handle those two things, then you can trade easily, or you can survive easily on the market. So for NT, I am to go back H1 time frame, and we will find out path or direction on H1 time frame. Okay, so I want to draw firstly support and resistance zone. So let's draw resistance zone. As you can see that this is our particular resistance area, and the resistance area, that means weekly all-time high is around that area. That means it was 3500. Okay, that was weekly all-time high and weekly resistance area. And if I want to find out our latest support zone, it may around that area. Okay, support zone, it may that area, and this is our weekly support area. Okay, what we find here we find our latest resistance zone, latest support zone, and weekly resistance zone and weekly support zone. Okay, let's find out our trend line area, like where is our hourly trend line. As you can see there is our particular trend line area. If I want to draw upper trend, it May here, that means this is our upper trend area. Okay, and as you can see there, if I want to show you our weekly resistance and support zone, as you can see there, this is our, that means all-time high is our weekly resistance zone, and that 3355 is our latest resistance zone, and latest support zone is 3276 zone, and weekly support zone is 3204. And if you think generally about the market, apply your general knowledge about technical analysis, it may go there, or if it breaks there, again there. That can be happen in this particular area, or there can be more scenario, like if it breaks that, it will give us a pullback, then it will again fly. This is the basic theory or simple theory. Okay, and as I show you, there is trend line zone, that means upper trend and lower trend zone around that area. So it can be here to here, again it can be give us breakout. So we have to find out proper path or direction to get a proper entry. So let's find out that, and I want to redraw all of trend line and particular area, and I want to take information from Fibonacci retracement, and we have to select our latest, lower zone, that means latest pattern lower zone, and latest high upper zone and lower zone. This is our latest pattern upper and lower zone. Okay, so as you can see there, okay, this particular area I want to draw another horizontal ray. Okay, horizontal line around 0.786 Fibonacci retracement area, and if I want to delete that area, okay, and if I want to draw a trend line, okay, trend line like lower trend, because of this line is very near to what, very near to this support area. Okay, as you can see there, this particular area, I mean this particular area could be our proper entry zone, because there is already double confirmation, like a trend line zone and a Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci retracement confirmation zone. Okay, and if the market act like, okay, let's say if the market act like, if it go here, if we get after this particular area, if we get buy confirmation, like pin bar confirmation, hammer confirmation, we'll take buy entry from there. And in other hand, if we get sell confirmation, like if it give us a pullback, breakout, again pullback, then we can take our sell entry from this particular area, that means this triangle area. So market can be go buy or sell, but we have to apply our proper technical knowledge in that sector. I hope you understand about that. So let's get back smaller time frame to find our scalping entry or swing entry or something like that to a small investor. For the small investor, and to find out smaller time frame entry. Okay, for a small investor, my suggestion is you have to wait till the particular area, okay, this particular area to this particular area. So as you can see there is a lot of geopolitical issue. Okay, if you take another closer look, as you can see there is a flag pattern also created. So there is a possible to go like that to that. This is possible. Okay, this is possible, but we have to wait, as we are tracking manual entries. So we have to wait for the for the proper zone, like this particular area, I mean this rectangle area. If you want to trade on the flag pattern, so you have to wait this particular area. If market come back around that area, and then if it give us the confirmation to go buy, then we can take buy entry. Otherwise, if it make a breakout, then we can take a sell entry after pullback. So that's all we have to wait for confirmation. Okay, nobody can decide the market movement within a confirmation. If you want to take that or want to decide that, then it will lose for sure. So as you can see there is a scenario to sell for a small entry, like a small investor, a small equity trader or a small investor. Okay, as you can see there is 5-minute time frame, and there is a support and resistance channel created. Okay, if I want to make it perfect, I'm sorry, because video is going to very long, so I have to do it very fast, but all those time this is not 100% accurate. That means the channels are not 100% accurate, so I apologize for that. This particular rectangle is fake breakout. This is a fake breakout and market is following this channel, and at this point, that means at this point market give us a breakout and we have to wait till the pullback. Okay, then we can take a sell entry for 5-minute time frame in that particular area. Okay, so today I don't want to give you any signal or any entry, just I want to clear the market theory, or I just try to clear the market movement. So we have to wait till the particular area where we want to take entry. So I just want to share one more thing. We have a Telegram channel, so you may join our Telegram channel, video link in description, and there we are sharing a lot of, you may see there, we are sharing a lot of entry. As you can see there daily 1 2 3, that means daily 1 or 2 free entry. Last week we shared 5 free entry, which is almost 300 pips in free channel. Okay, and after that, if you feel free to join our premium, you may join. As you can see there, we took total 21 entry in last week, we total win 21 entry. Okay, that means 100% win in last week. And you may see there is a weekend offer running right now in our VIP. So if you want to see our work quality, you may see there with screenshots, like VIP screenshot, how many entry are giving daily, how is the result. Okay, there was our last week sell entry, and we are sharing a lot of fundamental analysis. We don't focus only on technical analysis. Okay, we trade with fundamental and technical both accuracy. Okay, so you can see there is our client review, and if you want to see more clients review, so you can visit our testimony channel. There you can see a lot of clients review, like a lot of clients review. Okay, yes, as you can see there is a lot of clients review. I'm sorry, there is a lot of clients review from our VIP channel, so you may see that. Okay, so I hope all things is clear now. If you want to know more about our trading, about our services, you may join our public Telegram channel. So Mr. Boom signing out. Best of luck.
Started with a drink and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned.